Your effort is in your control, but making 1 crore is not in your control. Okay, you probably can make 10 crores. What is it that you can control is what we're going to discuss. So, this is the result we all want. We all want to make 1 crore. Okay, so let's look at how would we reach 1 crore, because when we sit and say, I want to make 1 crore, I want to make 1 crore, your brain goes, okay, but how are you going to make it? Have you made it? No. How will you make it? Okay, so what is that you can control? Like, making 1 crore is not in your control. Let's accept it. Your effort is in your control, but making 1 crore is not in your control. Okay, you probably can make 10 crores or maybe 10 lakhs. You cannot control that. What is it that you can control is what we're going to discuss. So if this is the desired result that I want, let's go to the minute level of what we need to do to reach 1 crore. Okay, and how soon can we reach there? Either you solve 1 crore problems, or you solve one big problem with 1 crore. And then there's a third way, which is you can have big problems with less number of people. Right? You solve probably 10 lakh ka problem for so many people, 100 people. Right? You can also do that. So there are different ways how you can make 1 crore. But what do you need then to solve problems then? Who would you solve these problems for? People. You need people. Okay, so let's do the math. Okay, how many people do we need then? Okay, to make 1 crore, how many people do we need? Now, 1,000 people paying you 10,000 per month. Or you can have 100 people paying you 10,000 per month. You still make 1 crore. Right? That 1 crore is a year, this is 1 crore per month, this is 12 crores. Or you can have 100 people paying you 1 lakh, which is again per month. Now I know you can break it down, reduce 110 from here, you can still get there by product. Okay. So once we do the math, so how many people do I need to acquire? If I'm looking at ideally 2 years period, and if I'm looking at, let's say, 1,000 people, how many people do I need to acquire them? On regular basis, on daily basis. one or two people per day, that's what you need. That's all you need, right? So what is it that you can do so that tumhara 9 to 5 job bhi chalta rahe, plus people also keeps getting acquired? What is that one thing? Create content. Create content. Everything boils down to creating the content daily. And this is what I did for more than 2 years, 3 years. If you do this consistently enough, you don't even have to worry whether I'm going to make 1 crore or 10 crores. You know, dimag mein nahi aayega wo baat. Like when I started, do you think I had a dream of making 1 crore? No. I had no idea that I'll even make that kind of money. Only thing I knew, I did not even know this reverse engineering formula. I just knew that I just have to serve enough people. And how do I serve enough people? Because I have a 9 to 5 job also, I have family also. How do I do that? Everybody, how do I do that? Content.